Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on 1/2. In this video, students will be introduced to the fraction of 1/2. The lesson will basically involve dividing any given object into two equal halves, or two equal parts. Now here is the first example. We've got a number of examples here. Circle 1/2 of the above apple. So you explain to students what's going on here, and then I'm sure they'll be able to circle 1/2. Circle 1/2 of the above orange. Circle half of the pizza. Draw two halves of a piece of toast. Circle 1/2. These exercises are just suggestions, and I'm sure the teachers can create many more. Draw two halves of a cake. Circle 1/2. Draw two halves of a banana. Circle 1/2. Draw a line which will cut each of the following objects into two equal halves. Near enough is good enough. So you can see these four objects here, and as long as the students do a reasonable job of drawing the line in a suitable position, that will be quite okay, and you can talk them through this and see how they go. Draw all the possible lines to show how each of the following shapes can be cut into two equal halves. For example, if we just take this square, if we draw one line down here, for example, you use your ruler, and that way the line will be nice and straight. That is one line which cuts that square into two equal halves. Now I'll give you a hint for this square. There are three other lines. So as well as this one, there are three other lines. Now the same for the rectangle. I'll give you a hint here. There are two lines here. So you have to find the two lines that cut the rectangle into two equal halves. Colour the glass to show that it is half full of water. Explain to the students what they have to do here, and if they do a reasonable job, that is fine. Colour half of the above ruler. That's quite straightforward. And colour half of the triangle. So just explain to them what's required for each of those, and you can model some of those. You can give your own examples, obviously, and I'm sure the students will get the idea in no time at all.